wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Julie E. I am Julie E. And it's a Saturday. Our Thursday train has moved to Saturday this weekend. The Thursday train consists of Dave's DRH Creations and Just Janice. They were right before me on our lovely train. If you missed them, please check my description. Their links are down in the description along with the recipe for this painting. It's a very easy recipe and I love doing them. It's been so long since I've done one. They are school glue blooms. You get a lot of the lacing effects that you get from a Shelly Art bloom, but it's a completely different recipe, and there's only 3 products: Elmer's old-fashioned white school glue, water, and paint. That's it. I mix my school glue medium, 7 parts school glue to 3 parts water, or 70-30 if you're talking percentage wises. And then I just shake that to the point of insanity, and then we add paint to that. And for the colors, like the base paint and the colorful puddles that you're seeing me put down now, it is 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. Now when we get to the cell activator, which creates all that beautiful lacing, that is 1 part Amsterdam Opaque paint. In this case, it's going to be Oxide Black. And then 3 parts of the school glue pouring medium. That's it. That's how simple it is. So yeah, whether you call it a base paint or a pillow paint, and then your colors, those are all 1 part paint, 2 parts school glue pouring medium, and then the cell activator, 1 part opaque Amsterdam paint, 3 parts school glue pouring medium. And you'll see here the beautiful lacing I get with that. You don't need the Australian Floetrol, you don't need the house paint, you don't need the, well, you kind of do need a varnish if you're going to use a piggy. So there would be four products that you would need. You need something to wet pigments with, and I like to use Liquitex Gloss Varnish, or in this case I believe I use the Josonia because I'm out of my gloss varnish. I don't really care for Josonia varnish because the odor is like bleh. So but I had to use it this time because I didn't have a chance to get out and buy my Liquitex Gloss Varnish. But you could use GAC 800, GAC 900. Some people use alcohol. Some people even use just water. I don't know, whatever works for you, I guess, as far as your wetting agent. As long as you add a binder to it afterwards, you should be good. And school glue is a wonderful binder. I enjoy the effects that I get from school glue, not just with this technique, but all different kinds of techniques. I found like certain paints react differently when combined with other paints. So yeah, school glue pouring medium gives you great cells without having to use silicone oil and stuff like that. So, well, I'm going to shut up now. We're going to put on some music. You will see I ran into a little bit of a problem with this one, even though it looks so gorgeous. I don't know what I was thinking, because I'm watching the replay back and going, oh my God, that was beautiful. Why did you do what you did? You'll see what I did. So yeah, let me put on some music. If you haven't already, please hit that like, share, and subscribe. Please do those UB2B things. They help us out so much, and they're free for you to do. All right, here's the music.
I see the light. shining on the stage. This is what I imagine every day. 작은 한 뼘짜리 공간 속 꿈을 노래하는 거울 속에 난 그 무대 위에 더 자유로운데. They say that I could fall, that I should let go. Shout it out, I don't mind my problems. They only make me get stronger. I know that they're gonna push me go higher. 기억해, 완벽하지라도 I say 완전해. 그 미련이 하나도 I'm on the way. All my dreams, my eternal fire. On my mind, on my mind, on my mind, on my mind. I see my name nominated on the stage. This is what I imagine every day. Yeah. 지금까지 나를 믿어준, 언제까지 나 옆에 있어준 my friend. 먹이며 바라보는데. They say that I could fall, that I should let go. Shout it out, I don't mind my problems. They only make me get stronger. I know that they're gonna push me go higher. 기억해, 완벽하지라도 I say 완전해. 그 미련이 하나도 I'm on the way. All my dreams, my eternal fire. On my mind, 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 on my mind. Shout it out, I don't mind my problems. They only make me get stronger. I know that they're gonna push me go higher. 기억해, 완벽하지라도 I say 완전해. 그 미련이 하나도 I'm on the way. All my dreams, my eternal fire. On my mind, 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 on my mind. This is our time. Tonight. This is our time.
So chaser, you turn me on. Groove is your true nature, and it never gets hot enough for ya. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell, baby. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping, move me tonight. Boy, at night in the dark. At least when I'm not with you, it's like without you I just fall apart. And I don't know what I'm heading into, 'cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. 'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, alive. You got no limits, I like that you're free. I wanna be that way with you. Chasing highs to take the weight out of me. Far from lows, I don't ever feel blue. 'Cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. 'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, I used to be so low.
Hey guys, I'm just getting home from work. It's Friday night. Sun is setting, so you don't get to see a lot of the shimmer and shine in this one, but trust me when I tell you, it is there. Let me see if I can, there we go. Look at that, there's with the flash, with the, yeah, flash on. Check that out. Look at that shimmer and shine. How beautiful is that? I love this piece. I hope you enjoyed it too. It was really fun to get back in the studio again after such kind of a long hiatus of painting. So yeah, I really missed it. I missed you guys. And hope you're all doing well. And until next time, loves and hugs y'all. Bye. Where am I? There I am. Bye.
But I feel